If you have not like and subscribe, just go to the Google and search for Alien Tech Champion, and you will see my channel on either Google or YouTube. So this channel is regarding, if you are new to this channel is regarding to anything related to the technical, related to Microsoft Endpoint Manager, mobile operating system, Windows operating system, and how you can manage those technologies through the mobile device management software. Okay, so in this video I am going to show you how you can create the notifications, how you can create the message templates, and how you can use that template for any compliance policies. Like if any devices, like whether iOS devices, Android devices, or Windows devices, it's violating any of these policy, how you can notify those users, right, automatically, so that end users can fix that issue, and user will aware, right, that their devices is actually non-compliant as per the policies, or right. So where you have to go to the devices, right, and and go to the enroll devices, right, and sorry, you have to go to the endpoint security, right. Sorry, am I doing something wrong sometime? Yeah, so you have to go to the tenant administrations, right, and under the tenant administrations you can see the custom notifications. Not this one, sorry, what happened today? So if you go to the device compliance, so endpoint security, device compliance, and under the device compliance, right, you can go to the notifications, right. So you can also go through, there are many other way. If you go to the devices and then compliance policies, right, and you see here, so in the first thing actually I was going wrong. So okay, so you go to the devices, you see in the top, home, devices and compliance policy and notifications. So currently there is no notification, and we have the policy created here, one of the policy I have created, and since there is no notification, so I will first create this notification stamp, right, and then we'll apply this notifications in the policies. Okay, so what we have to do under the notifications, and you can create notifications and you can give it name, like if you want to notify for iOS or for Android or for Windows machines, whatever you like, just give iOS passcode. Like if any user have not set the passcode on their devices, right, they can they will get this notification. Okay, so similar, like if you want to notify for encryption, you can do that. So what you want to include here, you can give any name. Sorry for that. Notifications. Okay, email header you want to include, company logo if you want, you can include it. You want to footer, company name, include contact information, of course the like service or help desk support information, company portal website if you want to include it. I'm enabling everything all, you can enable it. And here you can specify the local, so I am selecting United States, okay, and give it the name, right, USA, and define the message. Okay, anything like since your machine, okay, your device is violating one of the Intune policy, so please fix the issue on your on your device and must set the device passcode, any character which I have, right? Device password minimum 2, 4 or 6 characters to meet the compliance, right? You can give it any name, okay? And is it default? You can select the default. Anytime you can go and delete it, right? Subject, yeah, sorry, so here we have selected local. Similar, like if you want to select for French or any there are many languages are there: Polish, Dutch, Russian, Thailand, Ukrainian, Chinese, so everything is there. And give the name, right? Important or something, right? Important, right? Your device is non compliant, something like that, right? And click on next. And you can, if you have a scope created, I have already made video on this, how you can use it, right? And just apply and just create it. So we have created one notification for the compliance policy, you see, for iOS devices. How you can use this template? So you have to go to the policies, compliance policy, of course, and since I have already created, so I just modify it. Click on, you can create new compliance policy. I have made video on this as well. And if you just scroll down, you see the action for non-compliance, okay? Add it. And if you see here, send email to the users, select this, and how many days, you can select 1 or 2, and you see the message template, there is none selected. Click on that and you will see my notification template will be here. You see iOS, which is actually I have just created. Just select it. And if you want to notify to the any additional recipients, so if you are want to also notify to the admins or any department, you can add the email and just save it. Click on save. That's it, right? So it's very easy. So now if any of the users is violating any of these policy under the compliance, right? If a device is jailbroken, or for it's not meeting the password, right? It will violate, right? It will Intune will automatically send the notification to those users, right? Those non-compliant users. So now you have learned how you can create the notification template. If you want to learn more, just please subscribe the channel, and which is actually very good. There are lots of videos there, so how you can learn the Intune. There are multiple or 100 of videos are there. You can learn Microsoft Intune very quickly and easily. And till then, thank you, have a good day, bye bye, take care.